I just came outside. I was going to update y'all on my greenhouse temperature. Now, we have around 6-7 inches of snow. It's 14 degrees right now, Fahrenheit, here in Tennessee. So I'm just going to take you to the greenhouse and see what the temperature. Try not to slip. Our sidewalk has become ice, so I've got to be careful. Here's the greenhouse. It's got probably 2 inches of snow on the top of it. Let's go in here and see. It's about 44 degrees, 45. So that's pretty good. All my stuff looks good. I would say that's pretty good.